So welcome to the Northwoods area. This is an area that is set aside for different projects, different research that we conduct here within the department. And as you see, what we're going to be doing for this particular lab is we're going to be doing a comparison. So when we talk about ecological research, there are many different ways in which we can measure the health of an ecosystem. And many times when we want to do that type of measurement, it's because we want to look at the current state of the ecosystem that will allow us to decide how we want to make changes so that we can improve that ecosystem for the future. And so one of the ways that we do measurement is we collect data such as looking at species diversity. We may look at things like the amount of sunlight that's available in that ecosystem. We may look at the fertility of the soil. We may look at moisture content. So those are various things that we want to measure because we either want to get some baseline data so that we can determine if the changes we're making are improving, or we want to compare one aspect of the ecosystem with another aspect of the ecosystem. In our particular case, we're going to take the latter. And so we're going to compare one aspect of our Northwoods with another aspect of the Northwoods. And then we're going to try to see if those differences can explain any changes that we see in the data we're going to collect. So in the Northwoods, the two aspects we're going to look at is our open field and our forest area. So I want you to follow along in your laboratory manual so that as we are scanning the open field, you can take a closer look at this environment and make note of at least 5 things that you readily observed within the open field. And I want you also to do the same thing for the forest. Once we make our observations, we're then going to use those observations to help us figure out what type of data we're going to collect for both the open field and the forest. Now remember that as a scientist, it's important for us to be consistent and accurate in our data. So whatever we collect in the open field, we want to make sure we collect not only in the same manner, but the same type of data in the forest. Only then can we make accurate comparisons between what we see between these two aspects of the Northwoods.